Right then, listen up. Let's talk about Honda, a company that knows a thing or two about engines and excitement. It all started in 1948, just after the war. Japan was in ruins. People needed a way to get around, something cheap and reliable. Enter Soichiro Honda, a proper petrol head with a dream. He wasn't some stuffy executive in a suit. This bloke was a tinkerer, an innovator. Honda's first love was motorcycles. He believed in giving people the freedom to move, to explore. His first creation? A humble little motorbike powered by a generator engine. Not exactly a Ferrari, but it did the job. People loved it. It was affordable, it was reliable, and it put Honda on the map. Then came the Dream D-Type in 1949. This was a proper motorcycle, designed for the open road. It was a hit. Honda was on a roll, building bikes that were both stylish and affordable. He was soon selling them by the truckload, making Honda a household name in Japan. But Soichiro was just getting started. He had bigger plans, grander ambitions. He wanted to build cars, not just any cars, but cars that would change the world. And you know what? He bloody well did it. Now, breaking into the car business isn't easy. It's a tough crowd, full of big players with deep pockets. But Honda wasn't afraid of a challenge. He saw a gap in the market for small, affordable cars, and he went for it. In 1963, Honda launched the T360, a tiny little truck that was basically a motorcycle engine on four wheels. It was a hit with businesses, proving that Honda could build more than just bikes. Then came the S500, a sporty little roadster that was all about fun. This was Honda's first proper car, and it was a sign of things to come. Honda quickly gained a reputation for building well-engineered, reliable cars. They were also fuel-efficient, which was a big deal in the 1960s when petrol prices were starting to bite. People loved them. Honda was soon exporting cars all over the world, taking on the established giants and winning. The Civic, launched in 1972, cemented Honda's place as a major player in the global car market. It was small, stylish, and incredibly well built. It was the right car at the right time, and it became a global icon. Honda had done it. They had conquered the car world. The 1970s were a turbulent time. The oil crisis hit the world hard, and fuel prices went through the roof. People were desperate for cars that didn't guzzle petrol like it was going out of fashion. Honda, with its focus on efficiency, was perfectly positioned to capitalize. The Civic was already a fuel-sipping hero, but Honda made it even better. They introduced new, more efficient engines and aerodynamic designs. They were determined to squeeze every last mile out of a gallon of petrol, and they did it without sacrificing performance or reliability. Then came the Accord in 1976, a larger, more luxurious car that still boasted impressive fuel economy. The Accord quickly became a bestseller, proving that you didn't need a gas-guzzling behemoth to have a comfortable and stylish ride. Honda's commitment to fuel efficiency wasn't just about saving people money, it was about protecting the environment. They were pioneers in developing cleaner, more efficient engines, always looking for ways to reduce emissions and make their cars more sustainable. Honda's never been afraid to push the boundaries of engineering. They're constantly innovating, always looking for ways to make their cars faster, more efficient, and more enjoyable to drive. And nowhere is this more evident than in their engine technology. In 1989, they introduced VTEC, or Variable Valve Timing and Lift Electronic Control. Sounds complicated, right? Well, it is, but basically it allowed Honda engines to deliver both high power and low emissions. It was a game changer. But Honda didn't stop there. They were also pioneers in hybrid technology. In 1999, they launched the Insight, a quirky little two-seater that was one of the first mass-produced hybrid cars. It was a technological marvel, combining a petrol engine with an electric motor to deliver incredible fuel economy. Honda's commitment to hybrid technology has only grown stronger over the years. They now offer hybrid versions of many of their most popular models, proving that you don't have to choose between performance and efficiency. Section 5. Global Vision, Local Impact, Manufacturing with a Conscience. Honda's success wasn't just about clever engineering and fuel-sipping engines, you know. They also recognized the importance of building cars where they were sold, creating jobs, and supporting local communities along the way. They were actually one of the first Japanese car makers to establish manufacturing plants in the United States and other countries, becoming a truly global company in the process. But here's the thing. Honda wasn't just focused on building factories. They wanted to build sustainable factories. They were pioneers in developing eco-conscious manufacturing processes, reducing waste and emissions at every stage of production. And get this, they even planted trees at their factories to help offset their carbon footprint. Honda's commitment to sustainability doesn't stop there. They're also working to reduce the environmental impact of their vehicles throughout their entire life cycle, from design and production to use and even disposal. It's clear they're deeply committed to creating a cleaner, greener future for everyone. Section 6. Racing spirit, road-going results. From the track to the driveway. Now any petrolhead worth their salt knows that Honda loves a bit of racing. They've been involved in motorsport for decades, competing at the highest levels in everything from Formula 1 to MotoGP, and well, they've got the trophies to prove it. But Honda's racing exploits aren't just about bragging rights, they're about pushing the limits of technology, testing new ideas in the crucible of competition. And here's the thing, the lessons they learn on the track are fed directly back into their road cars. Take the NSX, for example. This legendary supercar was developed with input from Formula 1 legend Ayrton Senna. It was a technological tour de force, showcasing Honda's engineering prowess and their passion for performance. From aerodynamic designs to advanced materials, many of the innovations that Honda develops for racing eventually trickled down to their everyday cars, making them faster, more efficient, and, of course, more fun to drive. Section 7, Asimo, Honda Jet, and Beyond Diversification and Innovation. Honda isn't just about cars and motorcycles, they're a company driven by innovation, always looking for new challenges and new ways to improve people's lives. This has led them to explore a wide range of fields, from robotics to aerospace. Take Asimo, for example. This adorable little robot captured the world's imagination with its human-like movements and its ability to interact with its environment. Asimo was a technological marvel, showcasing Honda's expertise in robotics and artificial intelligence. Then there's the Honda Jet. This sleek and stylish aircraft is a testament to Honda's engineering prowess and their ambition to push the boundaries of what's possible. It's one of the most advanced light jets on the market, offering incredible performance, efficiency, and comfort. From robots to airplanes, Honda's willingness to embrace new challenges and explore new frontiers is a testament to their spirit of innovation. Section 8. Charging towards tomorrow, Honda's electrified future. Looking to the future, Honda is fully embracing the electric revolution. They've set ambitious goals to achieve carbon neutrality by 2050, and they're investing heavily in electric and fuel cell vehicle technology. They've already launched a range of electric and hybrid models, including the Honda E, a funky little city car that's as stylish as it is efficient. They're also developing hydrogen fuel cell technology, which they believe has the potential to be the ultimate zero-emission solution. Honda is also collaborating with other companies like Sony to develop next-generation electric vehicle technologies. They're pooling their resources and expertise to create innovative solutions that will accelerate the transition to a sustainable future. Section 9. The Power of Dreams, a legacy of innovation and sustainability. From humble beginnings in post-war Japan, Honda has become a global giant, a byword for innovation, reliability, and engineering excellence. But throughout their journey, they've never forgotten their founding principles, the power of dreams, and the importance of making a positive impact on the world. Honda's story is a testament to the power of human ingenuity, the relentless pursuit of progress, and the belief that anything is possible if you dare to dream big. And as they continue to innovate and push the boundaries of what's possible, one thing is certain: Honda will continue to power dreams for generations to come.